Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. In this video, we will learn the file and folder automation here. So this is a second part. We have already discussed the first part. So in this video, we learn the for each file in folder activity, for each folder in folder activity, rename folder, move folder, and delete folder activity. So let's go to the UiPath and understand this activity with example. So here you have see the screen. I'm in the studio, UiPath studio. I have already created a program. Uh, so I will describe these activities and what is the use of these activities, and then we'll run this activity and show you the result. So you can see here I'm using here the assign activity. So in this activity, I have taken the path, created a one variable path variable, and I store the one path here. So download path here. So after that, you can see I'm using the for each file in folder activity. It means in the folder how many files available. You can print that path, file path, and you can get that file. So how can you we do that? So you can see here here given the in folder. So here I'm providing the path in the I have already declared the variable. This is the UI path training download. This is the path and plus PDF files. So in this location we have a multiple files. So after that I'm using print that files in the message box. So here we have another functionality. You can see if you are in the folder if you have the multiple types of files like Excel file, PDF file. So you can get the specific files, like if you want to only get the PDF file. So you can see here uh, filter by the uh, .xlx extension. So you can write here extension if you want to get the PDF. So you can write here the PDF, but I'm getting all the files available in this folder, PDF file folder. So now we run the activity and show you the output. So after that, I have you taken another activities. So firstly, I'm comment these activities, all the activity we are using below. So how I want to also tell you how to comment any activity. So select that activities and press Control D. It means this activity in the comment section. So it's in the execution time. In the execution time, this activity is not run. So below all the activities I have used here. So currently I have disabled. Control D. Okay. Mm, Control D. So firstly I run only one activity, that is for each file in folder activities. So I'm running this and see the output. So here I will show you the location, the PDF location where mm, there is how many files. So you can see in the download section, this is a PDF location. So here are 6 files. So now I'm run the bot and see the output. You can see first output is first file is coming. This is showing the path of the all the files. So you want to only get the files name. So you can using the string manipulation, you get the only file name as well. So this is the all the files coming in the message box. Okay, it's completed. So now you see the for each file in folder activity. So now I'm comment this activity, Control D, and now I'm enabling the this activity for each folder in folder. It means in the folder you have a some one folder, and in that folder you have a multiple folders. You want to get all the folders, then you use this activity. So I'm for enabling the if you want to remove the comment, then you need to click Control E. So now you can see this activity is enabled. So in this activity you can see I'm using providing the path path plus abc, we have a abc folder. And then you can, here you can also see the, if you want to select the you get the only a specific folder, so you can filter the folder by the name and the order as well. So here I'm getting all the files. So all the files pop up in the message box. So now I'm again running this code and show you the folder. Yeah, this is a new folder 1. You can see new folder 2, new folder 3, new folder 4, and new folder 5. So these are the folders available in the abc folder. So I will show you where is the abc folder. So before I show you the pdf folder, so this is the abc folder. In abc folder we have a multiples folder here. So we get the this folders path. Okay, so I hope you understand both the for each activities uh, in file in folder and folder in folder. So now again I disable these activities, control D. Okay, now I'm enabling the rename rename folder activity. So using this activity we can change the folder name. So I enable this folder, and also I'm enable this folder, these activities. So here we have a two activities, rename folder and move folder. So I run parallelly both the activities. So in this rename folder activity, you can see here I'm providing the path of the folder, and abc folder replaced with the rename folder. Okay, so you can see here is the abc folder. So I wanted to change the abc name with the rename folder, and then this rename folder move to the this location, pdf file location, in this location. So for that I'm using here a rename folder, and then move folder to rename to the pdf, rename folder to the pdf file folder. So now again I save the activity and run this flow. Execution end, and you can go to the file, and you can see, so file is moved from the, here abc file is moved in the pdf file. You can go here and check the abc name replaced by the rename folder. So I hope you all understand all the activities, and up and the end we have understand one activity, another activity, that is a delete folder activity. Delete folder activity. So here you need to provide the path. So here I'm providing uh, this path. Okay, so I want to remove that file. So for that I'm disable this activity and this activity. So only here I'm how to only we see the how to delete the folder. So this is the activity for deleting the folder. So only you need to provide the path of that folder, and you can run that file for workflow, and then you delete the folder. So here you can see file could not path the rename folder download. Yeah, yeah, we have provided the wrong path. So stop and go to here. We are finding the, in the download section we're finding the rename folder. So this is not available. This is available in the download, then pdf file, pdf files slash. Now again we can run this for. execution ended. You can go and here you can check uh, rename file folder is deleted from here. So I hope you understand all the activity and